Welcome back. Rape-accused PSI Rajashid Sheikh has been sent to judicial custody for 5 days. The victim girl, in a statement made before the Mapsa police, had backtracked from her complaint and had wished to withdraw her complaint. Sheikh is likely to file his bail petition on Friday. Rape-accused PSI Rajashid Sheikh on Thursday was produced before the JMFC court at Mapsa. The court ordered to send him to the jail in judicial custody for 5 days. Sheikh is likely to file his bail petition on Friday. Earlier on Tuesday, the victim girl, in a statement made before the Mapsa police, had backtracked from her complaint and had wished to withdraw her complaint. She has now stated that she had filed the complaint under the pressure from Sheikh's wife. Reporter Shyam Sundar Fateh and Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Vodafone have joined forces with Goa Football Development Council to launch the Rising Stars Football Festival on Thursday. This initiative will provide fun and competitive exposure to all trainees of GFDC's grassroots football development centers. Over 650 children under the age of 12 years will be a part of the Vodafone GFDC Rising Star Football Festival beginning next month.
Young trainees from GFDC's first center in Varpoi were present as Vodafone and GFDC announced the Vodafone GFDC Rising Stars Football Festival.
The football fever in Goa is something which we're very keen to associate with. This journey for us started with GFDC way back in December last year, when along with them we inaugurated the first development center which they opened in Valpoi, which was really to develop the community football experience and train and support the local children there to be able to take on the sport and to really enjoy it, as well as providing the platform to be ready for further competition.
This festival will be conducted from the 1st of September, where we'll be inaugurating the festival across the 6 centers: Valpoi, Sulcorna, Benauli, Navelim, Aldona, Kandepar, and of course the sub-center, girls sub-center that we have at Moira. So actually it will be at 7 places, but Aldona, Moira come under one center. We are having tournaments in 4 categories: under 10 and above 10, boys and girls. And the winners, the 2 best teams from each center, qualify for the inter-center tournament, as Smith told you, somewhere in November. Once we finish the intra-center league, we shall start the inter-center league. It's not a knockout tournament, it is a league festival. And as per FIFA guidelines, it is focusing more on the children enjoying the game, having fun, at the same time giving them a competitive edge.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Chetan Gawas from Panji.
One of our alert viewers brought to our notice that a wrong map of India was used in one of the bulletins on Wednesday. Although such a thing cannot be justified, it was not a deliberate mistake. They deeply regret the error and assure our viewers that such kind of mistake would not be repeated again. Thanks for bringing this to our notice. We always appreciate critical analysis of your own channel by you. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.